If you continue down the path from the swamp monkeys, you will arrive at Parkway. From here, you can walk up onto the platform that skirts the large aviaries for the Andean condor and the ornate hawk eagle. These majestic birds are currently off habitat, as are many other bird species due to a bird flu outbreak here that's been ongoing at the time of this shooting. This is the lowest portion of the zoo, and from here we're going to walk up a decent slope towards the Polar Bear Plunge. On the way there, we'll pass a variety of gazelle and antelope species. Drop me a comment at the end of the video and let me know your favorite zoo, or your favorite zoo animal. All gazelles are antelope, but not all antelope are gazelles. There's some confusing differences, but one of the easiest ones to see is that gazelles are usually smaller, like these here. Right next to the antelope, we find the peccaries. These pig-like creatures are not in fact pigs, although both are hoofed mammals with an even number of toes, 4 on each foot. This puts pigs and peccaries in the order that also includes giraffes, hippos, deer, cattle, and antelope. That would explain why these little creatures are next to the antelope enclosures. If we just turn around, right across the tiny road from the antelope, you'll find the Polar Bear Plunge. The little cart you see here is an inside look tour, an educational and entertaining 90-minute tour that is great for a family outing. These tours run $89 and up for each person on the tour. The family on this tour just got escorted into the Polar Bear Plunge by a guide right before it opened up to the public. Coming close on the heels of the inside look cart is the tour bus we were on earlier. As I said, ride on the top deck because this is the only way you're going to see the polar bears from the bus, and the only way you're going to see them at all not behind glass. You may notice the lack of snow in the exhibit and the slightly brownish color to the bears. That is because the zoo is mimicking the summer on the tundra, which is not unlike the fall weather in San Diego. Let's take a little stroll through the different viewing areas inside the Polar Bear Plunge. Behind the Polar Bear Plunge, you will find the Canadian lynx. There is also an Arctic aviary, but it is closed along with many of the other bird habitats due to the flu that I mentioned earlier. This is just a brief clip of the ultimate San Diego Zoo experience. Click on the next video to continue your journey.